I know that programming in CS can sound very intimidating to some people and have some type of bad stigma.
I wouldn't get like overwhelmed or anxious by like other people that might have been coding since they were in diapers or something. Just get started, find a project maybe first, like a just very small, low impact project, and then just keep working from there.
I think it helps when you have a particular problem that you want to solve, whether it's something in school, whether it's something personal.
Just reading a textbook or reading notes isn't enough. Try solving different problems in different ways.
Just being able to break down problems into steps.
It feels like a puzzle, figuring out one step at a time. If you need to draw it out like that, it really helps just solidify what is happening when you read something.
Put what you're trying to code in words before actually trying to write any code.
There's all kinds of different ways to solve problems. Two people will not usually write code the same way.
You don't need to know every single function. You can just look them up. You can just keep looking them up every single time you need to use it. Learning how to read documentation.
Learning how to read what a code is doing before it does it. Patience.
Just patience. I feel like that's a good one. Just have patience.
You will fail many, many, many times. And it's always like one character you're missing,
Coding is just continually learning how to do new things.
I think just trying to overcome your own frustrations when you get stuck, and instead of seeing it as like a wall that you've hit, see it as a challenge that you can overcome.
Don't give in to despair, basically.
Just because something doesn't work doesn't mean that you're not good at it. When you learn any new skill, you're gonna have to put in some time to learn it.
It's gonna take a while, basically, and I've been doing this now for some time.
Just let other people look at your code. Sometimes the solution could be very, very simple and right in front of you.
That's the nice thing about writing code, is that you can actually check your work.
If you have any doubts about trying to learn how to program, I would say to at least give it a try.